Bill, the Kansas Flamingo chef. Welcome back. It's another episode of this thing. 12 German beers of Christmas, courtesy of my Costco membership. Again, if you haven't watched the other episodes, I picked this up at Costco. It was like $35. There were 12 16-ounce, actually 500 milliliter German beers in here, and we're just working our way through them one at a time. There is an app that you download so you can rate them, and let's just do a quick summary for those who have been and those who have not been here. The first one we did was the Menninger, which is a Hell, which is a lager. This one, out of 5, I gave it a 3.8. Pretty decent beer. I would buy this again, to be honest. And it's right at 4.9% alcohol. The second one was this really neat looking can, this Heron Broth. So this got a 2.64. I was not impressed. This is like a flat beer. It tasted like tastes like you're drinking bread, honestly. So we're gonna move on to this one. That's a lot of letters. Scholschabri, I give up. Tannen Hell Lagerbier. There it is. This one says it is 5% alcohol. And let's find out. It's a lager, so I don't expect it to be dark in color. Typical German beer. Smells better than the last one, that's for sure. Very crisp smell. And it pours better. There's instant head build there that's not breaking instantly. It's a nice wheat color. It's a German lager. I mean, it's a very traditional German lager. It's actually very similar to drinking a Coors Banquet without the harsh smell on the end. This isn't bad. I would drink this again. That's not bad at all. That's a very traditional, simple German style lager. It's not going to be full bodied. It's not hoppy. It's easy to drink. There is a yeasty bread-like flavor, which is traditional, very, very common in bottom brewed lagers like this. All in all, this one is better than the second one. I still think the first one was the best of the three so far. So we'll see you for number 4. Eat and drink fabulous.